Hello everyone, I'm Tejaswi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic data warehouse models. First, let us know about how many data warehouse models exist. So, there are three types of data warehouse models. They are enterprise warehouse, data marts and virtual warehouse. So, let us know about each one of them in detail. This diagram generally represents the data sources which gets the data into the warehouse and that gets into the data mart and that will divide it into the different departments which is like the end users. Next let us learn about the warehouse models. First, enterprise warehouse. So this enterprise warehouse collects all the information about subjects spanning the entire organization. Like it goes through the entire organization data and it gets the information from them. Next, it provides corporate-wide data integration, usually from one or more operational systems or external information provides. It typically contains detailed data as well as the summarized data and can range in size from a few gigabytes to hundreds of gigabytes and terabytes. Next, an enterprise data warehouse may be implemented on traditional mainframes, computer super servers, or parallel architecture platforms. It requires extensive business modeling and may take years to design and build. So this traditional mainframe or computer super server, this is also known as like parallel architecture. It can be implemented on platforms, but the duration to implement this particular traditional mainframe takes years and years. So this enterprise warehouse is like it will get data from the organization by spanning all the data which is available in that particular organization or the business or something. Next is the data marts. This data mart, it's like a subset of the corporate wide data that is important to a specific group of users. Let us say the data of a particular organization is like a sea. A bucket of water from that particular sea is called as a data mart. So the scope is limited to specific selected subjects. Whenever a user wants a data which is related to a certain topic, he creates a data mart of that particular data mart, like that particular topic. So a data mart contains a subset of corporate wide data that is the value to a specific group of works. So the script or the scope is confined to a specific selected subjects. Example like marketing data or the analysis data or the query report data and all. So data marts are usually implemented on low cost department servers that are Unix, Linux or Windows based and all. So the implementation cycle of data marts is more likely to be measured in weeks rather than months or years because the data will be updated by each transaction or by the each minute the data will be updated in that particular section. So depending on source of data, data marts can be categorized as independent or dependent. Independent data marts are sourced from data captured from one or more operational systems or external fragmentation provides from data generated locally within a particular department or geographical area. So the implementation cycle of the data mart is more likely to be measured in weeks. However, it can be in the long run complex integration which is involved in its design and planning were not the enterprise wide. So dependent data marts are sourced directly from enterprises data warehouses. That is about the data marts. Next model is the virtual warehouse. Virtual warehouse is easy to tell. It's like it gives a view. It's like a fake view of the presented data. So a virtual warehouse is a group of views on an operational database. For efficient query processing, only a few plausible summary views can be visible. And when compared to the other two, which are the data marts and the enterprise warehouse, virtual warehouse is more effective and efficient in working. So creating a virtual warehouse is easy, but it requires additional capacity on operational database servers. The creation is easy and it is effective and efficient, but it requires a lot of capacity compared to the other two models, which are like data marts and the enterprise model. So this data virtual warehouse is a set of views which gives the fake view of the already existing data in a organization. So that's all about this types of data models, which are three, and each has the specific work to do. And thank you.